this video, I'm going to demonstrate how I use the masking tool in Procreate. So I've got a screen size canvas onto which I've placed this word beauty. I've used the add text functionality in Procreate to do that. And I'm going to add another layer, and to that layer, I'm going to add some tendrils. I'm going to use the Hewlett Avenue brush, which is a calligraphy brush, and I'm going to use this green, just make sure that I'm on the layer above. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw these tendril-like plant through this word. And then I'm going to duplicate that layer. Now what I want to do is I want to put one of these layers underneath the original layer. So I'm just going to drag this one under beauty. So now what I have is I have green tendrils, then I have the word beauty, and then I have green tendrils again. I'm going to go to the top layer of green tendrils, and I'm going to mask that layer. So what happens, you see a layer mask appears, and the color automatically changes to black. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw over this using the mask to eliminate some of the green. And you can see what's happening here. So what I like to do is kind of get an under, over, under look again. Almost as if the green is going around the letter. And I'm going to continue that with these others. So you can see I'm using the masking tool to mask the top green layer so that it looks like it's wrapping around the letters. And because I've got a layer of green tendrils underneath it, underneath the word beauty, it gives you an illusion of the tendrils wrapping around the letter. And I'll just carry on doing that. Now what's interesting to note is that black covers, but if you change this to white, white reveals. So if I feel that I've made a mistake there, I can reveal the top layer again. And I'll change back to black and continue doing the masking. And there we go. So those are my masked tendrils. Kind of like that. So just to recap, I've got a layer that's got the lettering on it. I've got an underlying layer that's got the tendrils. I've got a layer on top that has the tendrils. And then I've masked that top layer and removed some of these tendrils to make it seem as if the green is twining around the word beauty. And there you have it. So you could go and add flowers to it or do whatever else you feel you'd like to do.